you do it.
No, you do it.
I did it last week.
I don't care. You have 2 here. You're on a roll. You can do it.
I believe in you. This is so last decade.
I don't like this.
Me either. We need something 90s to do.
I know what we can do! Come on, guys, follow me! Look, it's the internet!
Internet?
The internet!
What is this?
Well, yeah, like, tabs. The tabs are like the Cartoon Network, Yahoo, Zanga, and web pages from the 90s.
What are all
Or
these
the 90s! Well, Cartoon Network is like our favorite TV show, so we can find out all the times and all the days that our TV shows are going to be on! And then there's Yahoo. Yahoo's so cool. Like, I just found this out yesterday. And I'm already talking to someone from Czechoslovakia.
Czechoslovakia?
Yeah, his name's like Czech. That's what his name is.
Oh my gosh!
And then you can like email him, send him pictures and whatnot. Like, it's so cool.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's so
The
cool.
world.
And then Zanga, you can talk to your friends.
Friends?
On Zanga, yeah. Look at
Gotta get
it.
some.
Look at that. Zanga, it's so cool. And then you have the web pages for the 90s that we're in, and they just tell you everything, you know? And so it's just really cool because it's the internet.
I love the internet.